DIY anti-aging creams and lotions. This video series brought to you by Anti-Aging Extracts LLC, www.aaextracts.com, and DIY Anti-Aging Cosmetics, www.diyantiagingcosmetics.com. Anti-Aging Extracts. How to safely make your own anti-aging skincare products. Convert over-the-counter store-bought creams and lotions into powerful anti-aging skincare products. Anti-aging skincare product ideas: face and body creams, shaving creams, lotions. Boost your less expensive serums. Your DIY anti-aging products will compete with the best products. They will be cost-effective. They will compete with products that cost over $100 per ounce or two. What to look for in anti-aging botanical extracts. Avoid extracts that don't have proven anti-aging benefits. They'll be a waste of time and money. It's important to avoid products where the plant material has been killed. Technically, this is called denatured. Alcohol in botanical extracts at any level will have killed the plant material. Alcohol denatured products may include: most tinctures contain 25 to 90% alcohol. Powdered extracts typically are made with alcohol and then dried. For best results, use bioactive extracts. They are the best overall extracts for anti-aging products. They haven't been denatured and will have retained their highly beneficial anti-aging plant properties. Raw makes a vast difference for anti-aging products. Raw plant materials have retained their biological plant properties. Raw plants are air-dried and are not denatured. Heat-dried plants have been denatured. Some of the many bioactive non-denatured anti-aging properties include taking advantage of all the plant properties: proteins, peptides, natural vitamins and oils, enzymes. Use extracts made with organic plant material. Organic plants are grown in healthier soil, close to that of nature. Won't contain hazardous chemicals that may be absorbed by your skin. Two of the best anti-aging extracts: dill seed extract and white tea extract. Dill seed extract. It's one of the best extracts or anti-aging skincare products. Well-researched and proven benefits for anti-aging. Is the best extract for elastin. Benefits tired, sagging, wrinkled skin. For even better results, combine a bioactive white tea extract with dill seed extract. The tools you will need to make your creams and lotions: mixing bowl, whisk, rubber or silicone spatula, funnel, rubber or vinyl gloves. Purchase some quality lotions. Try to find lotions that contain vitamin C and E. Don't overspend or get caught up in marketing hype. You'll be making great lotions yourself. You'll likely have plenty of the extract to make several batches at one time. So be a hero. Make some extra for your family and friends. Clean all the utensils and countertops. Thoroughly wash your hands and mixing equipment. Then work quickly. Don't let the contents sit out too long. Don't let your children breathe on or touch the contents. On to making your anti-aging skincare products. Have everything ready to go: lotions and creams, extracts, kitchen utensils. Empty lotion contents into a mixing bowl. Shake the extract for 10 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of extract for every 8 ounces of cream or lotion. Thoroughly mix contents. Once the product is thoroughly mixed, using the funnel, empty the contents back into your lotion container. Try not to touch the contents with your hands. Voila! You're done! Now enjoy and pass this information on to your family and friends. For best anti-aging results, apply twice a day. Morning and evening. Always use sunscreen. Understand that sun and smoking accelerate skin aging. Want to learn more? Visit the Knowledge Center on our website, Anti-Aging Extracts LLC, www.aaextracts.com. DIY Anti-Aging Cosmetics, www.antiagingcosmetics.com. Visit our website or find us on Amazon. Like and follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, or YouTube. Post your questions and comments on our Facebook or YouTube pages. This video series brought to you by Anti-Aging Extracts LLC, www.aaextracts.com, DIY Anti-Aging Cosmetics.com.